Very good morning, children. Today we'll be starting lesson 4 from your book, and the name of the lesson is Eating Right. So, children, tell me, why do we eat food? So, the obvious answer is we eat food to live because no one on this earth can survive without food. Now, a food is something that provides nutrients. And what are nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provides energy for activity, growth and all functions of the body such as breathing, digesting food and keeping warm. So whatever we are doing, whatever activity we do, like when we are walking, doing some exercise, or when we are sleeping, or maybe we are not doing any physical work, maybe we are studying, sitting and studying, then also we require energy. See, children, when we sleep, we are taking rest, but the organs inside our body, they are working. They also need energy. So, where do we get this energy from? We get this energy from food. Food also keeps the immune system healthy and protects our body from diseases. So, it is very important to eat healthy food. Now, we will discuss the various components of food. The five main components of food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Now, carbohydrates. Now, carbohydrates are those nutrients which gives us energy. These carbohydrates, the food which contains carbohydrates, contains lot of starch in them, and they form the major part of our diet. For example, rice, wheat, potato, sugar, these are all the good sources of carbohydrates. Now we move on to fats. Fats provide more energy than carbohydrates. They also help to keep our body warm. Milk, oil, ghee, butter, cheese are some of the sources of fats. So fats also gives us energy. In fact, it provides more energy than carbohydrates. But the thing is, children, we should not eat too much of fatty food because we this will make us obese. Obese means we will put on a lot of weight and we will become fat. Now we move on to the third category, which is proteins. Proteins help in the growth and development of our body. They also help in building muscles. So, you all children, you people are growing children, so you should take a lot of proteins in your diet. And some sources of proteins are milk, paneer, pulses, beans, eggs, meat. These are the best sources of proteins. So you all should take lot of proteins in your diet. Now vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals increases our body immunity and help us to fight against diseases. So vitamins and minerals are very important for our body. Vitamins and minerals, in fact, they improve the immune system of our body. So, to make our immune system strong, we should take a lot of vitamins and minerals in our diet. The sources of vitamins and minerals are fresh fruit, green leafy vegetables, milk. These are the good sources of vitamins and minerals. Now, water and roughage. Besides the five basic nutrients, our body also needs water and roughage. Water helps in regulating body temperature and helps in proper functioning of our organs. And we should at least drink 8 glasses of water every day. So, water is also very important. Water also plays a very important in our diet. It not only regulates our body temperature, it flushes out the toxins from our body. Now, roughage. What is the function of roughage? Roughage means fruits and vegetables that contains a lot of fiber in them. That fiber is called roughage. And roughage help us to get rid of waste from our body. So water and roughage plays a very important role along with the 5 basic nutrients. They also form a part of our diet. Now we have studied about all the basic nutrients, water and roughage. So what is a balanced diet? Food that contains right amount of nutrients, water, roughage in a meal according to age and lifestyle is called balanced diet. Why according to age and lifestyle? You people are growing children, so you need a lot of vitamins, minerals in your diet and proteins in your diet. Those who all are laborers, they need lot of energy to work, so their diet should contain a meal which is rich in carbohydrates. So that is why a diet will change according to age. Okay, that is why it is mentioned here according to age and lifestyle. Now balanced diet is important because carbohydrates and fats give us energy to do work. Proteins help us to grow and repair our damaged cells. Vitamins and minerals protect our body from diseases. Water and roughage help us to remove waste from the body. So this is the importance of balanced diet. I hope everything is clear to all of you. In the next class, we'll be discussing about deficiency diseases. Thank you and have a nice day.